Simpol, luto na, ha.
My guests have arrived and I'm preparing this very simple noodle dish for you. And ito siya, kakaiba kasi hindi tayo magigisa. We will just steam our noodles for this recipe. For this wonderful recipe, I'm using high-quality vermicelli noodles from Good Life to achieve that sarap na firm to the bite. Yung gagawin ko lang dito, just to add a little bit of veggies to my recipe, I will prepare a bed of cabbage. Yan, I will just julienne my cabbage. So you can also use Baguio Petchay if you want. So I will just put this as a bed. I will add my noodles. Look at that, ha. Yan. Arrange my noodles. Yan, my noodles are there, ready. And you can actually plate this ahead of time. And of course, di ba nakita niyo yung shrimp na hinanda ko kanina? I will get my prawns properly chilled, seasoned properly with salt and pepper. And I will arrange it over my noodles. Look at that, no? Look at that, ha? Sobrang fresh pa rin ng ating hipon. So I will prepare my sauce or my dressing. Ito yung panglasa natin sa ating noodle dish. So I have around 3 to 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. So I'm using Japanese soy sauce for this. Around 3-4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yan. I will grate some ginger. Yan. To brighten up the flavor. Kasi ginger and soy sauce and a little bit of sugar go very well with our prawns, no? Sarap nito, ha? Yan. And I will put half of my spring onions and I will leave some for garnish. Mix everything together. I will also add sesame oil, no, to brighten up the flavor. It will make our noodles glossy and add a very nice nutty flavor. And the nice thing about Good Life Sesame Oil is that it comes from roasted sesame seeds. So, very pronounced yung kanyang sesame flavor. So, you don't have to use too much. I will add SILING LABUYO or bird's eye chili. Gagawin ko, I want it spicy but not too spicy. Baka ayaw ng aking bisita. So, I will just remove the seeds. Be careful, ha. And we will chop it up, no. Slice it very nicely. And what I will do now is I will drizzle first over my prawns para malasa yung aking prawns. Look at that. And this will cook very quickly, around 7 to 10 minutes. Ang sarap nito. Yan. And when you steam your prawns, all the juices will go to the noodles. So sobrang malasa niya, no? Walang nasayang na flavor. Look at that. Ready na tayo. Ito maganda to pang instant na handaan. If you want to cook and entertain, it's so simple to do, no? Yan. All I have to do now is put it into my steamer. Yan. And cover it up and wait until it's done. Sobrang bilis. Luto na yung ating dish. Look at that. It's beautiful. Yan. Game, look at that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Ang sarap niya. Gumawa na tayo ng fried garlic. Kasi marami tayong ginawang fried garlic. Walang tipid sa fried garlic. Look at that. Oh my. And our spring onions. Oh wow. Look at that. Alam mo, kasi we steamed it with sesame oil para pop na pop talaga yung flavor ng ating sesame oil. What you can do is you drizzle a little bit more just before you serve. And that's our dish for today. Try this recipe at home. Steamed garlic prawns with vermicelli. Simpol!